I have another piano that is in need of repair. This is a Roland KR-570. And apparently this is a pretty common issue on these pianos where the key weight arms break. As you can see, of course, it happened to middle C right there. Now, originally I was thinking I would just buy the replacement part and swap it out in this piano, but I figured this is a perfect use case for some 3D printing. Now, of course, I was thinking it would make for a more interesting video if I had to 3D model and print a part to fix this piano, but somebody's actually already gone ahead and 3D modeled this part, so I just had to dial in the settings to print this out in some PETG. We just need to install this new key weight arm part inside the piano. We've already gone ahead and removed some screws on the back here. And that should allow this to slide forward and come off. There we go. Man, losing screws. Okay. We're in. Yeah. Gotcha. Oh, but this. Ooh, maybe not. Maybe it's made. Ooh. There we go. Broken one. Part of it out with the pliers. Aha! Alright, as you can see here, the point of failure, this weight is encapsulated in this plastic arm and it just has shattered from lots of abuse. So we need to now take the rest of the plastic off of here so I can put this weight in the new part. Okay.
Look.